What if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning for just 1 second? It sounds impossible, but imagine it happening. Would we even notice it at first? Or would the entire world fall into chaos instantly? The answer is far more terrifying than most people think. 1 second could change the future of humanity forever. Let's discover what science says would really happen. The Earth completes one full rotation every 24 hours. At the equator, it spins at about 1,670 kilometers per hour. Everything on Earth moves together with this rotation. That is why we never feel the planet spinning. Our bodies, buildings, oceans, and the air move at the same speed. This balance keeps life stable every single day. But what happens if that balance suddenly disappears? If the Earth stopped, the ground would stop immediately. Everything on the surface would keep moving forward. People would be thrown through the air at incredible speed. Cars, trains, and airplanes would lose control instantly. Buildings would suffer massive damage. Flying debris would fill the skies everywhere. The first second would become a global disaster. The atmosphere would not stop with the Earth. It would continue moving at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. Powerful winds would sweep across the planet. These winds would be stronger than any hurricane in history. Trees would snap like tiny sticks. Buildings would be ripped apart in seconds. Entire cities could be destroyed by the violent air. The oceans would continue moving with enormous force. Massive waves would race toward the land. Gigantic tsunamis would flood coastal cities. Ships would be thrown far inland. Millions of homes could disappear underwater. The shape of many coastlines would change forever. The oceans would become one of Earth's greatest dangers. The sudden force would shake the entire planet. Powerful earthquakes could strike many regions. Some volcanoes might become more active. Power grids would fail across large areas. Gas leaks could start dangerous fires. Communication systems would collapse quickly. The world would enter complete chaos. Now imagine the Earth starts spinning again. The damage would already be impossible to reverse. Millions of lives could be lost. Entire cities might lie in ruins. Recovery could take many decades. Human civilization would never be the same again. 1 second would leave scars for generations. Thankfully, this is only a scientific thought experiment. The Earth cannot suddenly stop spinning like this. The laws of physics protect our planet from such an event. This shows how perfectly balanced Earth really is. Every second of rotation helps make life possible. Science allows us to understand these amazing facts. Subscribe to Science Explained for more incredible science videos.